Hi, dear Cancer. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a you versus them current energy check in. The roles can be reversed also. This is general, it might or might not resonate. Okay. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Cancer, let's see what we have on your side. We have the Six of Swords, the Six of Cups, and the Nine of Cups. You are in this energy of, leaving something or someone from the past behind and moving on towards calmer water, but still carrying a lot of love, a lot of loving and caring and nurturing kind of memories with you and feeling happy about it. Okay. You are not in the revengeful energy, you are not in the painful energy, you are not trying to make something work out forcibly or to stay with someone forcibly. It's like, even if you have to let go of something or someone, you're doing it with grace, you're doing it with love, you're doing it with compassion, and you're feeling very grateful to the whole universe, to the divine, that this experience literally gave you something meaningful, something deeper to work on, and whatever happened happened for a beautiful reason. Even if you have to let it go, at least for the time being, you are full of love, compassion, care, and this energy of I'm so grateful, divine, for whatever you gave me. This is a really beautiful energy. I think for the first time I get this kind of energy from any sign in last 5 6 years of my YouTube journey, that even if somebody is letting go of someone here, they're full of love, they're full of compassion, they're full of gratitude for whatever the universe gave them, for whatever the divine gave them, and they are just letting it go with grace. Awesome. Yeah, you are just creating your life, you are just in this energy of whatever happens happens for a reason. You got the essence of this situation, of the divine in through this situation, that whatever happens happens for a valid reason. Okay. Beautiful, Cancer. Just so beautiful, feeling so overwhelmingly good about it. Thank you. Grace, pure grace. Let's see the energy attached to you, Cancer. What are they up to? We have the Death card, the King of Swords, and the Hanged Man. They, on the other hand, is exactly the opposite of what you are up to. They're like, okay, Cancer don't want to be with me, they don't care, I also don't care. Although they are still stuck on this situation, they are still energetically stuck on this connection between you and them, but they are not even trying to connect with their heart, super disconnected from their heart right now, and using their logical mind. I don't know if this is a temporary separation or phase of separation or whatever is going on, but this person is very much in this energy of I don't care. If they don't, I don't. You do. You are just letting it go with grace. They might not be liking it, that you're still happy, that you're still centered, that you're still just doing your own thing in a beautiful and positive way. You are not retaliating, you are not planning or plotting revenge. It's not going well with them. They are stuck, they are seeing the changes, they are feeling that you are not like them, but they're not liking it. Instead, they are super disconnected from their heart, and they're kind of, this whole situation is forcing this person to see certain things from a different point of view, from a different understanding. Transformation is happening, bigger transformation, but because they're not connected to their heart right now, they might not be able to feel the transformation. Let's see for the connection what we have, Cancer. We have the Judgment, the Ten of Pentacles, the Four of Swords. It's all about you guys letting go of whatever happened and talk to each other properly. Both of you can heal the situation and make the situation work out on a beautiful level. If both of you are ready to let go of certain things, certain situations that you are still holding on to, maybe this other person that's not connected to their heart. Something related to maybe family or family kind of dynamics, or related to stability, long term stability is not working out in the situation. But this situation is still workable. All you have to do is both of you have to let go of certain things or situations and talk about it, and like as a couple, as a mutual partnership, both of you can heal the situation. This situation have the capacity to get to work out in a beautiful and positive way, if you want to. Otherwise, just let it go. You're doing it beautifully, you don't even need it actually. But if any by any chance you want to, you have to let go of certain situations and certain feelings and certain misunderstandings and talk about it properly and honestly, and this situation can work out. It's workable, still workable. For you, the guidance here is the two of swords. Don't make any kind of decisions or life changing decisions until unless you are very very sure that you are on the right track, you are feeling okay about it, you are feeling at peace about it. So whenever you, whatever you do in your life, if you're not feeling the peace within, it's not good for you, or it's not the right thing to do. Simple. Even if this is the matter of you taking a very hard decision, sometimes hard decisions also, we have to make hard choices, hard decisions, but we are at peace with the decision. Like, okay, even if it hurts, even if it bothers us, this is something that's good at the end of the day. Eventually, that's that kind of peace I'm talking about. I hope you're able to get it. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Cancer. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.